Hey YouTube, I want to share a quick video with y'all. We recently had a friend of my wife lose everything in a house fire. They think it was the Keurig coffee pot. So for safety, we've been keeping it unplugged, things of that nature, just in case. I made a cup of coffee a few minutes ago, went to sit down, and I heard a strange noise. I now know why Keurigs might be a fire hazard. Plug it back in. Had I not been here, that will boil all the water out. I'm assuming boil all the water out or pump it out, overheat, and quite possibly catch fire. So, be aware, be safe. Love my Keurig coffee pot, but be safe. Oh gosh, that is hot. Yeah, that's definitely boiling out. Boiling out there hot. Wow. Unplugged. Be careful, be aware. That could be dangerous. Thanks for watching.